I received this 2500-watt handheld steam cleaner as a gift, and in this video, I'm showing a closer look at it and how it works. This is a high-pressure steam cleaner designed for multiple types of cleaning around the house and even for auto detailing. It can be used on things like tile, grout, floors, furniture, car interiors, and other surfaces where steam cleaning can help loosen dirt and build up. The unit itself feels very solid and well built. It has a handheld steam gun connected to the main tank and hose, which gives you a lot of flexibility when cleaning different areas. The tank holds about 40.6 ounces of water, which is a good size because it lets you clean for a while before needing to refill. One of the main features is the 6 adjustable steam levels, so you can control how much pressure you're using depending on the surface you're cleaning. Having multiple levels is helpful because some jobs need stronger steam while others just need a lighter setting. Something that did take a little getting used to at first is that there's no trigger on the steam gun. Instead, once the machine is turned on and heated up, the steam begins automatically. After you switch it on, you wait about 10 to 15 seconds and then the steam starts coming out of the nozzle. At first, that felt a little different compared to tools that have a trigger, but once you understand how it works, it's actually pretty simple. You just control the steam using the power settings instead of squeezing a trigger. Because it uses pressurized steam, it's designed to help loosen dirt, grease, and grime from surfaces. The concentrated steam can reach into small areas like grout lines, seams, or tight corners that can be harder to clean with traditional tools. Another thing I like about this style of cleaner is that the steam gun and hose allows you to move around easily. Whether you're working on floors, countertops, or inside a car, it gives you a lot more reach than smaller handheld steamers that are all in one piece. The unit heats up quickly, and once the steam starts flowing, it's consistent and powerful. Having the larger water tank also means you're not constantly stopping to refill it, which is helpful when you're working on bigger cleaning tasks. Overall, this was a really thoughtful gift. It's a powerful steam cleaner with a large tank, adjustable steam levels, and a flexible hose design that makes it easier to clean different areas. Once I got used to how the automatic steam works without a trigger, it was simple to operate and really effective for deep cleaning tasks around the house.